Hi everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens Double SP Game Use break number 372. Last time in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on September 28th at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Time. And of course, from the Hesitation break site, that's what we got scheduled in the queue there. Open the current date and time page, click refresh. Friday, September 28th at 8:43 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and Friday, September 28th at 11:43 p.m. Eastern Time. Lyman Breakers, or YouTube, Lyman Breakers, break 372, and our serial numbers tonight are 8466 863 711 7133 7536. Sorry, a little different setup here. I'm gonna break quickly at a friend's house here. So here we go, guys. So 7133 and 7536 is box number 2. I guess we brought the placemat here just in case. So here we go, everyone. 7133 is box number 1 for tonight. And tomorrow night is double game use again and 12 box wonder again ending. We are live a little earlier tomorrow night. So we start this one off with a triple skills fabric of Phil Kessel, Patrick Kane, Johnny Gaudreau. This will be randomed between these three teams, the Leafs, Blackhawks, and Flames. So we'll do that random right at the end. And our next one is a All-Star Skills jersey of Shea Weber going out to the Nashville Predators. I'll show you guys that is Nashville. And our next one is a authentic rookie auto, Matt Pumple, going out to the Ottawa Senators. And our next one is a nice All-Star Skills patch, number 5 with 35 of Roberto Luongo. Bobby Lou for the Panthers. And we got a true rookie going out to the Detroit Red Wings of Andreas Athanasiou, number 28 of 72. Actually a pretty good one too. Athanasiou. And box number 2 is 7536. We got another All-Star Skills jersey of Mr. Shea Weber going out to the Preds. And we got a All-Star Skills fabric dual jersey, which will be random between the Ducks and Kings. We got Ryan Getzlaf, Anze Kopitar. So that'll be a random. And our next one is a inked rookie sweaters jersey auto of Darryl Farbert, 108 out of 149 for the LA Kings. Farbert. And another rookie, pretty good one, going out to the Red Wings. We got Dylan Larkin, 28 of 71. The true rookie. Got both the big Red Wings rookies in the same break. So very nice hit there for Detroit. And finishing up the break with a All-Star Skills quad, which will be random between the Kings, Blackhawks, Sharks, and the Jets. So those will be the 4 teams that will have a shot at winning that one. So we do have a few randoms here set up, guys, so just bear with me for a minute while we quickly do that. And tomorrow night is game use again for any of you guys interested in that. And 1 minute here. Okay, so we're going to be spinning you guys back and forth here. So first multi-team random we're going to do is going to be for the Getzlaf Kopitar between the Ducks and Kings. So bring you guys down over here. So we got each team in the randomizer 3 times. We're going to random list 3 times, team on top. The 3rd time is going to receive a card. So 1, 2, 3. That's going out to Anaheim. We're going to randomize this list 3 times. Now our next one is going to be for our triple. So the triple one is going to be between the Leafs, Blackhawks, and Flames. So those will be the 3 teams that will have a shot at winning that. Oops. Shot at winning that. So 3 times as well. 1, 2, 3. That's going out to Calgary. Randomizes list 3 times. And finishing up with the quads. So I'll bring this back up here again. So the quad can be ran between the Kings, Blackhawks, Sharks, and the Jets. So those will be the 4 teams that will have an opportunity at winning that. And bring this down here again. So 4 times. So that's set 1, set 2, and then 3. So 3 times. Team on top. So we're going to see the card. So 1, 2, 3. That's going out to LA. And your randomness list 3 times. So congratulations to the multi-team winners. See you guys again tomorrow night for